Dynamo for Revit, a computational design extension, is now considered a feature of Revit. Dynamo is no longer a separate application. The icon in the upper left corner of the Dynamo user interface now displays a small Revit icon to reflect this update. You will not be able to update or use a different version of Dynamo with Revit 2020. This will greatly simplify the installation process and versioning for Dynamo users. With this unified experience, you will have Dynamo 2.1 installed at launch, and this is tied to Revit. As the product team releases updates for Revit, this is the only way that Dynamo will receive updates. Running any version of Dynamo other than 2.1 will be unsupported moving forward. Also, one version of Dynamo will not be supported across multiple versions of Revit. For your generative design needs, Refinery will run on top of Dynamo 2.1 and will also be considered a feature of Revit. Spend less time managing your computational and generative design installations, and more time automating and optimizing your designs.